Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antonio.
Ri shwa menong lenga seng kelong sokari di 3-4 organize program concert mo. And ri but kalapo kam thep jam bagi kun samna bukli ki apumar boro. Gibu jarmut kina samna jo thep jam pok ajla ju pok nurse staff nurse but ANM. Te kani kam di shu ke jingle kam kai kani di shu ka dai ke jing sting
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Kisamla puli nurse shinrang berkentai kibla de puli ber kibla de bile exam staff nurse bala penyat de katanat ke kot kia ke jilla. Men hakalai pu trik unai lor arajar arpsau kila kiu secretariat ban pan jingshai na ke menteri beri pet ke kot kia ke Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo bar kinong penyat ke board ha ke jingken rum kenram ke jing penyat exam thungkam. Kimat kinong yalam ka kinhun kinong pulinas kila penpau ke jingbam hun halor ka rukom pynmih ya ka result na ka benta ke examen staff nurse nalor ka auxiliary nurse midwifery ANM kabala pelat da ke Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board MMSRB da ka bakdau bakidan bun ki kinrum kinram halor ka ne ka result bakan thup nadu ka jingmi RCN uji rule number nalor ka jingbam pynmih lot ya ki rule number ber ki kerteng jungki samla ki balaya le ya ka ne ka examen na kalian kisang samla puli ka khasi student union berkejain dia student union kila lek banbu jingkali ya ke menteri ka jingmi ki kenrum kenram ha ki result jingki samla ki bala pendep bantho e kanu ke examen na ga benta ban yo ka kam bunsin ka pelong ki babun ban penpau ka jingbom hun halor ka ni bar ka bapendu mensim ki babun bar ka ni ka jingjia ka dei ka bala jia la bunsin yathu usamla Ruben Niger chairman ke employment monitoring cell KSU shikila pathai khubwan Kakin hun kinong pulinas haga jingyalam ke employment monitoring cell jong ka khasi students union KSU bat kinong yalam ka jantia students union JSU uyathu de baka MMSRB ban pynduh shwa kane ka result bat ban pynmih da kawei ka pynmih ya baro ki kerteng ber ki rule number jing ki samla ki balaya le ekane ki examen khna bakan amdan kanu ka jingno shilyang ha ka rukam thapkam ka examen thapkam kamdon ki kundon kumno ban penya ne ban bot renti kat kum ka lenti tho exam ne thungkam bante la kam badai na kani ka daw kan sedon ka jing jenrut hakarukam thap kam thap jam kadbana kalyang ka board kala kular ban pelaja baro ki mak saki khniat sngi bar ban ai por ki bala dep banyale ki examen bala dadon kanu ka jingbom hun ken pha ki jing ujor shaka board ling ba ka grievances sal yathu usamla Ruben Niger Nagaling usamla rustem nong spung nong yalam ka kinhun ki samla pulinas ulaong baka board kala penshai baka jingmi arsin jing ki rule number ka dina mar baki dina ka sport category bar ki garu category daga ba penpau bo ompat shai halor kani ka benta karba usamla rebo sushen nong yalam ka Giantia Student Union uyathu baka sorkar kamde banyale kai ne penkemen ye ki samla daga bakin oi tamasa Pet lang ya ka bit ka biang bar ka yo kam yo jam ki samla wat shupin bit tan ki rong phong perthai.
Baladon kum geni ki kam. Gimla ban ong ba kadon manipulation namar gimla ban proof ka sepo ing bisa. Ban proof ban ong ba ha kadon ke jing le tu le re. Hari kum mane kendo ha ngi sutu kadon jing kan galong ga ke jing ga sambut markiliang ngani ka jing ya idea markiliang ha bring jo sarkar jalla bat ni ki bring di ardi ki seng ki SU ba kin ki perlok. Handrai ban proof ban pencisa kadon manipulation ka tang nak noi handrai kapan artatien ya baro lang ha ki kepuar. Mar balik kami su kasi menengkong. Lapun bagi sing aja kong ni, imat kadon ay selendet. Bang benong handi bakadon tekatang imtet. Kita kaya long saya long kong ni, kapag ka sorka kamler, ben khot ni ben ai kami kun sangali po ka sorka ini. Po.
I'm here today to meet Dr. Amprin Lingdo in regarding the various allegations that has been made out after the publication of the result for the staff nurse and the ANM in the 28th of September. The union have seen that the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board has published two results on the 28th, first in the morning and then in the evening. After verifying these two results, we have seen that there are various ambiguity. Firstly, same roll numbers have been seen to appear twice. In the second list also, we have seen the roll numbers repeating. In this regard, we strongly feel that there's some kind of ambiguity and the process is not clear. and so also the vacancies are only 164. But whereas the Meghalaya Medical Recruitment Board has called for more than 500 candidates to come for physical verification, which is not really needed. So we have addressed all the other issues and regarding to some of the questions also which are out of the syllabus, some of the answer after the distribution of the answer key also which is wrong. According to the nurse, they have stated that some of the answers that they have given by the board is wrong. So we have talked about all the issues and allegations that have come out that we have come across with the other student bodies from the Jante Hills and the nurse who are present there, and we have come to a conclusion that first and foremost, the board has to publish the marks of all the candidates. There are 6,000 plus candidates who have applied for the post. All their marks has to publish. Second is that if any candidates have seen that their marks is being limited or is less than what they have opted for, they can write to the grievance cells of the board, and accordingly the board will have to rectify the mistakes or show them the OMR sheets that this is the marks that they have got. And third, that they have to scrap the result that has been published in these 2 days, in the couple of days ago on the 28th, because this result is totally ambiguous in nature. And after the verification process and after the publication of marks and after giving 10 days to the all the applicants, then only they can publish the marks that is based on the vacancies that's available. If like we see for 164 posts for staff nurse, 25 vacancies are there for unreserved, 66 for Khasi Jantia, and 65 for Garus. Only that number of candidates should be called as per the vacancies and not lump sum. Because if you call lump sum, then again there will be another transparency issue where some candidates who are behind will be given jobs, and whereas those who have passed the examination will not be given. So in this regard, whatever demands that we have placed before Dr. Ampreen, and there are various other officials from the board, from the recruitment board, they have all accepted our demands, and we are awaiting to see if all the demands are being followed correctly or not. Exactly, there is an incompetency level in the officers level, because they must, any recruitment board, first and foremost, there's no rules and regulation that the recruitment board has to abide to. Without rules and regulation, how can you conduct examinations? How can you conduct recruitments if there's no rules? So this is why this is the incompetency level of the officers. They do not understand the various recruitment rules. That's why all these ambiguity has cropped up. There, with these ambiguities, we can also say that there might also be manipulation or favoritism also involved, because if it has to be transparent, then it will be by the rules and not by any other else. If you look at the state of Meghalaya, everywhere and anywhere, if it's for MPSC or the other recruitment board or DSC level, there's always discrepancies. Why there are discrepancies? Because the members or the officials itself are incompetent, or they are competent enough but they have to follow certain instructions to favor someone. That is why time and again we have seen these discrepancies. We have published the 20-point charter to the
haki benai ki baladem haki ar benai ki baladem kata haka ar pusau terik jong benai benyau nyuan ya kaman kendu haka bayadai bat ki exam ki prepare ki recruitment ki prepare ki bayadai bat nurses tengiyo ya kaman ya tai shibun ki aka tambah hadin jong kani hadin baki penlat ya kani ke post ka basis pa ndu pusau telik ki post ngiyo i bahadin baki penlat hadin jong kani ke exam baki penlat ya ka result ka don ke aka ka jingbom hun ha kabaya baki result ki baki ki pynmih te kabaning kong kalong baki pynmih arsin ya ka result men step shi sin kata ka kabalong ha ka arpu pra tarik jong banai bakhandai ha ka por ka bamen step ki pynmih ya ka result ka kim pen pau ya ki kerteng but ya ki marks ki ba secure de ki candidate but ha ka list ka ba ar hadin jong ka press conference meeting ka jongi kabalong ha ka arpu pra tarik hi ha ka janmiet library hadin jong kata hadin shikenta shiteng ye ki pynmih pa ya ka second list ya ka second result ki declared but hangta ki pynmih ya ki marks but ki roll number but ki don ru ki roll number ki ba don hadu kumba sau put riu teli ki roll number ki balong additional roll numbers te kani ka pynmih shibun ki jingkeli ki ban pen long doubt yangi ha ka bayadai ba kani ka result Handrai hadien ba ngila ya keren ki ong ba namar bakim kwa ba bakini ki shispa andru sautli ki post kin long on field nata kadau ki kwa ban field lon yo ki don let's see kinu ki candidates ki bomla ya kaban long qualified lene ki bombiang ki documents ki jongki nata kadau ki khot ki add biang ki numbers tang bawa la kataru 4 hun hi ya kata ka jingpen syai ka jongki hadu manta te hadien jong ka jingya keren ka jongi kila menjur ban pynmih ya ka result ka balong nadu roll number 1 hadu ka bakut jong ki roll numbers ki ba appear ya kani ka exam bat kani kan long lengba menta ka janmi lane la syai ngimla bantip ya kata lanu kin pynmih ya ka result ka baki kloi te kumta bat kila ipor hi kila postpone ya kani ka physical verification ya kitu ki candidate ya ki baki la khot ha ka first but ka second list result ki baka pynmih ha ka alpo pratarek baki postpone ya katu but kila ipor ngi hadu shipho sngi na ka banta bangin tho ya ki complaints ki jongi lane kinu ki issue ki jongi shaka grievances cell jongka Meghalaya medical recruitment board te nalor jong kata hadin jong kani ka yu hadin jong kani ka shipho sngi ngi karpat ro ya ka government ya ka bakan kan khmi ka ei ka rai bakin don halor jong ki taki complaints ya ki bangi ngin submit nang ni shakman but kani kan kampat penhun yang ngi hado menta henry ka rai ka bakin shim hadin jong ka shipho sngi ka bangi submit ya ki complaints lene ki ya kinu ki issue ki jongi hadin jong ka rai ka bakhat do jong ka government kata let's see kala ban penhun yang ngi lene kala ban num penhun yang ngi ya kata ngimpat tip namal hadin jong ka rai ngi la ban tip ya kata but nalor jong kata ngi kwa hiban